Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ohnjalee. I'm going to start this 3-in-1 mini tutorial with priming my eyes. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer and a mini flat top brush just to buff it out, and then I'm going to set it with some translucent powder just so it's not tacky for when I apply my liner. Now I do my eyeliner first. I started doing my eyes first just because I noticed how my eyebrows came out better if I did my eyes first. Okay, so now that I'm done setting my eyelids, we're going to do this liner. Or should I just... I feel like this is too washed out. Let me try putting some bronzer in my crease or something. One second. I grabbed the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is what's on now. I'm gonna put this, just dust it in my crease or something. Okay, now for liner, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to start a line from the outer part of my eye. Now in the middle of that line, I'm going to bring it in to the middle of my eye, if that makes sense, and then I begin filling it in. And then from there, I start making a liner from the inner corner and I meet it to the middle. At this point, you can decide whether how thin or thick you would like your liner. I was going for a thin look just because the thinner the liner, the more the lashes stand out to me. The thicker the liner, the thicker the band can appear. Now for my eyebrows, I take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in the shade Granite and then the e.l.f. Duo 203 brush. I start my eyebrows by making a line at the bottom. And I start in the middle. I never start at the beginning of my eyebrows, and you'll see why later. And I just start filling it in from the bottom to the top. This entire time I have applied mascara. Sorry I didn't film that part, but I applied mascara and I'm letting my lashes get tacky before I apply them. So I do my eyebrows while my lashes are getting tacky, and I try not to forget about them. I usually do most of the time. So now you see me take the brush and I turn it so that the pointy side is at the bottom of my brow, and I start making hair-like strokes in the inner corner of my eyebrow. Inner corner, in the beginning of my eyebrow, just so it gives the appearance of hair, just because my eyebrow hair is really fair. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow, you can use any black eyeshadow, and I just start setting the pomade. Now because I have like a black wig on right now, I really want my eyebrows to be bold. I really like bold eyebrows, and setting the pomade also helps with it not moving so much. People had problems with the pomade looking oily after a couple hours, and I noticed setting it with some black eyeshadow or brown eliminates that problem. Now that my lashes are tacky, I'm just going to set them on my eye. I always set them in the middle of my eye, and then I tuck the corners. And if I have nails on, then I use tweezers, but I don't right now, so I'm going to just use my fingers to squeeze my real lashes to my fake ones, and just make sure that the lash is on my entire eye and not lifting anywhere. taking the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm going to apply that to the inner part of my eyebrow. Now this just is like doing mascara but for your eyebrows. It makes the eyebrow hair stand out more to make the appearance of hair, and that's my overall goal, is to have my eyebrows bold and look like I have more hair than I actually do. Now I'm just taking the Rimmel black eyeliner, and this is not what is it, a felt tip? Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's more of a stiff tip, so I'm able to actually cover what I need to cover. And I didn't clean these properly to my prior use, so that's why I'm covering them now, so that you can't see my eyeliner and then the lashes. Now taking the same highlighter I used for my face, is the Milani Strobe Light Highlighter in Sunlight. I'm going to place that on my eyebrow bone. Now I have hooded lids, so I have this droopiness that hangs over, so I really don't have a defined eyebrow bone, but best believe I'm about to create it. I'm just going to apply that on my eyebrow bone, and then I'm going to blend it with my finger. And that is it for you guys. This is my 3-in-1 tutorial where I did my eyeliner, my eyebrows, and how I apply my lashes. It's really short, but I just felt like filming that day, so I did it. Be sure to follow me on all my social media at Ohnjalee. Give me a like and comment. Let me know what you want to see next. You guys have a blessed one. Bye bye.